After that, now the question is arise, do we have to check all 6 parts to check the similarity of two triangles? So it will become more lengthy. So we don't need to check all the 6 parts. We have some short tricks to check the similarity of two triangle known as criteria of similarity, right? So there are 3 criteria of similarity. First one is a rule of a rule or criteria, we can say a rule of similarity. Okay, so for the same I am going to make two triangles. This is first one and the second one is this. Suppose this angle is x, let me named as ABC and PQ. Okay, so this is x, this will also x, this is y, this angle, and this angle is also y. So here what we can see that angle ABC is equals to angle PQR, which is equals to x, right? And again angle BAC is equals to angle QPR, which is angle phi. Okay, so we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, again if two angle of a triangle are same, then third one is also, so we can write it as A rule. Okay, now by these what will definition become? So definition will become, if two angle of a triangle are equal to two angle of other triangle, then triangle will be similar, right? So this is the A rule of similarity. Let me write the definition also. That is, if two angle of a triangle sorry are equal to two angle of other triangle, then triangle will be similar. Then two triangle are similar, right? This is the A rule of similarity. If two angle of a triangle equal to two angle of other triangle, then two triangle will be similar. And the second criteria is SSS. SSA rule of similarity means side side side. So for the same again I am going to make two triangles. PQR, right? So by the definition side side side, so in this, if three side of one triangle are proportional to three side of another triangle, then the triangles are similar, right? So if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three sides of other triangle, then triangle are similar. And we can write triangle AB side AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to CA by RP, right? So their corresponding side should be in same ratio. So this is the second rule of similarity, and the third rule is SAS rule of similarity. SAS rule. So as the name suggested, SAS, right, means two side and one angle. But how will it define? Let me make triangle first. These are two triangles, again ABC, PQR. In this side proportional to this side, and this side proportional to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle, angle B equal to angle Q, and this is the included angle of two side. This is the included angle of two side. So what will be the definition become? If the two side and the included angle of one triangle is equals to two side and included angle of other triangle, then two triangle will be similar, right? So let me write the definition. If one angle, or we can say two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of other triangle, then two triangles are similar. Okay, so here what is it? Angle B is equals to angle Q, right? And AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. So triangle will be similar. So there are three criteria: AA criteria, SS and SAS criteria of similarity, right? Now let's do some question related to similarity. So question 1 is, write the criteria of similarity. Criteria of similarity. And also write in the form of a similar triangle. Okay. So first question is, there are two triangles So B angle is 50 degree and this angle is 50 degree. Okay, this angle 70 degree and Q angle is 70 degree. Okay, so in this, what will be the criteria of similarity? Here the criteria of similarity is A criteria of similarity. Here A, because two angles are similar, same. So A criteria of similarity, and we can write it, angle ABC is equals to angle, which angle? PRQ, which is equals to 50 degree, and angle ACB is equals to angle PQR is equals to 70 degree. So how can we write it? We can write ABC is similar to triangle, not PQR. Here PRQ is similar because corresponding angle PRQ, right? So this is the first question. Now the second is, make the two triangle again. My triangle is not enough good. P Q R and here X Y Z, right? So this is 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and here 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we can easily see that here SS criteria will hold. So S because there is no angle given, so SS criteria of similarity. Right, here PQ by what? XY. PQ by XY means 2 by 4, which will give 1 by 2. Again QR by YZ. QR is 3, YZ is 6, again it will give 1 by 2. And PR by what? XZ or ZX. It will give 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. So their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So here SS criteria of similarity, and how can we write it? We can write it as a triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Then now the next question is, question third. A B C X Y Z. Okay.